Michelin star restaurant inside. Very nice food. Little bit expensive. On the right side, Museum of Bags and Purses. You can find there bags and purses of celebrities and royalties from all over the world from the beginning of the making of bags and purses. And they have a beautiful 17th century interior inside, and you can have lunch there too. So that's worth a visit. And after the bridge, on my left side, the most beautiful canal we have here in Amsterdam, de Reguliersgracht. Reguliersgracht. Very good, very good. I told you it was easy, Dutch language. 7 boat bridges in one line, only be seen from a boat, so get your camera ready.
Oh, I'm ready all the time. This is the first.
Yes.
Oh my god, can we?
7 in a row.
Oh yeah. But we will not cross that.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you did not get the perfect picture, don't worry.
Why?
Google.com has 100 beautiful pictures, especially at night with the lights on a summer evening. Amazing pictures. Nobody will notice if you use that picture for Facebook or Instagram, and I won't tell nobody. And now we're entering the most expensive part of Amsterdam and maybe the whole Netherlands. This is called the Golden Bend. Houses here cost about 10 to 20 million euro for a terraced house. No parking place included. Parking is €7.50 per hour here. These houses were built by Dutch sailors from the 17th century who went to Asia with their ships, and they took some stuff there like coffee, tea, pepper, sugar, tobacco, slaves, and they became very rich selling it. And they had these houses built here to live as kings on the canal. You can imagine what kind of people live here now. Mostly bankers, famous lawyers, criminals, politicians, also criminals,
Celebrities.
Canal Cruise captains, of course.
The mayor's house.
One of these politicians lives in this beautiful house here on the left with the white balcony and the white pillars, number 502, with the big Amsterdam flag. That's the mayor of Amsterdam, der Burgermeister van Amsterdam. And this house has been the house of the mayor of Amsterdam since 1927, when a wealthy family donated the house to the city, and every elected mayor since then worked and lived in that house. And today we have a female mayor for the first time in 400 years. Yeah. This is the Golden Bend. Golden Bend in Dutch brings me to lesson number 2. Are you ready, everybody?
Yeah.
Gouden Bocht.
Gouden Bocht.
Oh my God, you sound Dutch already. Very good, very good.
Funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments on my right side, underneath the bridge, you can see the smallest canal we have here in Amsterdam. We call it Little Venice because the houses are built to the water, just like in Venice, Italy. On the right side.
On the right side. This. Little Venice, okay. Little Venice. Oh. To the left. The smallest. Really?
And obviously you cannot sleep next to each other.
I can see a t-shirt. Honey.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
No, not here.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you were thinking about trying the traditional Dutch salty fish, the herring, this is a very good place to try, here on top of the bridge. Put some onions on top, very nice.
Mais